Hi aviation lovers, for your attention is stand model of Antonov 225 Mriya with a call sign of Uniform Romeo 8260 in original Livery Antonov Airlines. Production by Nauport, Ukraine. So the scale of the plane is 1 to 200 and the length of the fuselage is 42 centimeters and the wingspan is 44. The landing gears is static and non-movable. The model made from high quality special polymer resins, and it stands on a high quality wooden with polished metal deck. Here we can see a Nauport branded box with exact fitting model with a scale 1 to 200 inside, and let's open it. The box is a thick carton, and inside we have several layers of black foam rubber fitted exactly for this model that is made very secure for transferring to prevent any cracks.